Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Captcha errors in Chrome. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you should do is refresh the web page. Sometimes Captcha doesn't load properly because of a temporary browser or website issue. Simply click the refresh button next to the address bar. Once the page reloads, check if the Captcha appears correctly. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard and this window will pop up. Here, choose cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Then, click Delete Data. After the process finishes, restart Chrome and try opening the website again. Another common cause is browser extensions. Click on Extension icon at the top and click on Manage Extensions. Here, temporarily disable all installed extensions, especially ad blockers, VPN extensions, and privacy tools. Once they're disabled, reload the web page and check if the Captcha works. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try turning it off for a few minutes. Some websites may block or challenge traffic coming from shared VPN servers, which can prevent Captcha from loading correctly. You should also make sure your Chrome browser is fully updated. Click on these three dots and select Settings from the menu. Here, go to About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install the latest version if one is available. Once the update is complete, restart the browser. If none of these methods work, try resetting Chrome to its default settings. In the settings, select Reset Settings and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This will disable extensions and reset browser settings without removing your bookmarks or saved passwords. After the reset, reopen Chrome and check the website again. Finally, check your internet connection. Restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to another network, such as your mobile hotspot. Sometimes websites block certain IP addresses temporarily, and changing your network can resolve the issue. And that's it! So that's basically how you can fix Captcha errors in Chrome. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.